Hello students, come back to our class. Today I am going to teach you the poem. What is the name of the poem, children? If a tree could talk. If a tree could talk. What is the name of the poem, children? Once you repeat again. If a tree could talk. If you take the page number 73. If you take the page number 73, there is the poem. Okay, children? If you take the page number 73. First of all, see the picture, children. What is given in the picture? What is given in the picture? A tree is there. Its branches were cut off. Its branches were cut off. Its branches were cut off, children. And one person is cutting the tree. Okay. One person is cutting the tree. Now, let us see. By seeing this, tree is speaking. If a tree could talk, okay. If a tree could talk, what the tree could say? What the tree could say? Something is getting hurt, my children, for the tree. Yes, by seeing only we can understand that when a person is cutting the tree, the tree is getting hurt and it is crying. The tree is crying. And in this poem, what is given here in this poem? The speaker is telling that if a tree could talk, what could it say? In the same way, comparing to the tree, another materials also is there, children. About the river is there, about air or animal or earth. Okay, this many things have given. If they have tongue to speak, if they have something to speak, what could it say? Let's start the poem, children. Everybody should look into the textbook. Listen carefully. I am going to read the poem first. Then afterwards, I will give the explanation for the poem. Now, children, if a tree could talk, what would it say? Question mark is given, no, children. If a tree could talk, what would it say? Don't chop me down, just walk away. Don't chop me down, just walk away. If a river could talk, what would it say? Don't dump in trash, throw it away. If a air could talk, what would it say? The factories must learn to keep smoke away. If the factories must learn to keep smoke away. If the animals could talk, what would they say? Help us to live, we wish to stay. Help us to live, we wish to stay. If the earth could talk, what would it say? Protect me by making every day happy day. Okay, children, I have read the poem. I'll give little explanation about this. Okay, the poem itself is telling if a tree could talk. Okay, we are the human beings. We have a tongue and we have lips. We are making with the help of the lips, we are making the movement of the lips, we are going to talk. With the help of the tongue, we are speaking few words. And the front person is going to understand what we are speaking. Yes, children? In the same way, if the tree could talk, they are unable to speak, but they know their own language. Yes? If an animal is there, means if the animal, suppose if you take the cow, if the cow is shouting, means his language is known to his child or belonging to. Yes or no? We are the human beings. If we are speaking something, means our language is known for the other person. In the same way, if a tree could talk, what would it say? Okay, if the tree could talk, what would it say? Don't chop me down, just to walk away. The tree is telling that if I would talk, means I would have told something for you. If I would have talked, means I would have told something for you. What I would have told? Don't chop me down. Chopping is nothing but a meaning given, children. Chop means cut. The meaning of chop, what is given here in the 74 page number? The meaning of chop is cut. Okay, to cut. That means don't chop me. Don't cut me down. Okay, don't cut the tree. Just to walk away. If you want to stay in the shade of the tree, you just stand in the shade of the tree and you just move away. If a river could talk, now the tree has completed its talk. Now who is speaking, children, here? Now the river is speaking. If a river could talk, what would it say? What would it say? Don't dump in trash. Don't dump in trash. Throw it away. Okay. See, we are being the human being. We will share our sadness or happiness with our human beings only. But what is the case with animals, rivers, trees? Okay, children. What is the case with them? Who will solve their problems? Okay, and they are telling if we would have talked, means we would have told you this all the things. in the first stanza, the tree is telling, don't cut, don't chop me down. Okay, don't chop me down, just to move away or walk away. If a river could talk, what would it say? Don't dump in trash, don't dump in trash, throw it away. Don't dump in trash, dumping, putting it, okay, or throwing. Okay, don't throw the dust particles, okay, or the dirtiness. Don't throw the dust particles or the dirtiness into the water. Throw it away. You can just throw into the dustbin. Don't throw into the water. Why, children? Why the river is telling? Why? Because if we are throwing the dust particles or the dirtiness into the water is going to be polluted, and that polluted causes great harm to the human life and for the sea life also. Sea life is nothing but the animals which are living in the sea. Example, tortoise, fishes, they will be getting damaged. What is the disadvantage for the human being, children? If we drink those water, okay, if we have utilizing that water means we are affected with some other diseases, children. Okay, now if the air could talk, what would it say? Third one, children. If the air could talk, what would it say? The factories must learn to keep smoke away. If the air could talk. Now, children, now the air is moving around us. Does this telling anything? No, it is giving the coolness for us. Hotness and the coolness is giving. If the air is cool means in the winter season, the air gives the coolness. In the summer season, when the air comes, when you are standing beside the road, the heat air will come. Okay, it cannot tell anything to us. But in this poem, they are telling few words. What they are telling? The air could talk. If I would have talked, I would have told something for you. What are those things? The factories must learn to keep smoke away. The factories, okay, the owners of the factories or the factories which are running. Okay, nowadays many factories we have constructed. We have cut the trees. We have cut the trees. We have cut the trees and we have constructed many factories and mills. These are the children. So the air is telling the factories must learn to keep smoke away. The factories should be keeping the smoke away. Okay, must learn to keep smoke away. Why the air is telling? Because the air is capturing the smoke. Okay, and whatever the oxygen present in the air, that is converted to carbon dioxide, children. Means in a poisonous gas. The cool air is converted into the poisonous gas. That's why the air is telling not to release the gas into the air. Okay, and to keep the smoke away. Next, children, if the animal could talk, if the animals could talk, what would they say? What they will say, children? If the animal could talk, what would they say? Animals will talk, children? Yes, they will talk. They will talk in their own language, but we are not able to understand. We can just realize their pain, but we cannot listen to their talk, children. So here animals, what they are telling? If the animals could talk, what would they say? Help us to live, we wish to stay. That means, what is the use of the animals, children, nowadays? Mostly we are using the animals for the flesh only. For flesh purpose we are using or not? Mostly animals are eaten. Yes or no? Now, being a human being, we are cutting mostly the animals like goat, sheep, hen. Yes or no, children? So we are killing them. We are killing them for what purpose? For meat. For meat purpose we are killing the animals. So that animals, what they are telling? If the animal could talk, if they would have tell something, okay, if they could talk means they would have told something. What? Help us to live. You should not cut for the animals. You should have to help us to live. How you will help for the animals, children? Helping in the sense, in the animal sense, whatever the animals are roaming in the sky, flying in the sky, you just throw some grains, like that you can help. And some of the animals roaming on the roads, you should have to give some food to them. Yes or no, children? And if they are thirsty, you can give the water for drinking also. You can keep the water in the bowl, they come and they will drink the water. So you should have to help. They would have told that you should have to help for us. We wish to stay. That means their ambition is to stay, children, not for dying. Okay, they are coming to live, but who are killing them? Just animals are, human beings are killing the animals, yes or no? Or one or the other animal is killing for the another animal, yes or no? In this way they are going to be killed. So here the animals, what they are telling, the animals are telling that animals could talk. If they could have talked means they used to tell that help us to live. Okay, help us to live. You just come and help us for leaving us. We wish to stay. That means we want to stay, children. Okay. If the earth could talk, now comes to the earth total. Now the earth is telling. What the earth is telling? If the earth could talk, what would it say? What would it say, children? If the earth could talk, what would it say? Protect me by making every day Earth Day. How you will protect the earth? How you will protect the environment? You just celebrate the environment day or any Earth Day. If you celebrate in Earth Day and Environment Day, what is the most important given, children? The most importance is given for the surroundings, environment, keeping the surroundings clean, neat and tidy. If you keep the surroundings neat and clean and tidy, what is happened? We are not going to suffer with any disease, children. Okay, so the earth is talking. If the earth could have talked means what will it say? Protect me by making every day Earth Day. Protect me. How you protect? How you protect the forest, children? By not cutting the trees. By not cutting the trees. So this is the poem about a tree. So first of all, children, let us rewind the poem. Rewind the poem. What the tree is telling here? The tree is telling that don't cut. Okay, don't cut, don't chop me, don't cut me, you just walk away. And the river is telling that don't dump the wastage in the water. And who is telling? And the air is telling that the factories should learn to keep the smoke away. Next, the animal is telling that the human beings, you are the human, being a human being, you just come and help us. Why? Because we want to stay. The animals are telling. Now the earth is telling that you should have to keep the surroundings clean and make the earth every day Earth Day. Okay, and make and celebrate the Earth Day every day, children. This is the poem about what here? If a tree could talk. If a tree could talk. If a tree could talk. Now turn the page number, children. There are few questions. What are those? In few lines I will explain you the answers. Who is being addressed in the poem? Who is addressed in the poem? A tree is addressed. First of all, a tree is addressed and the one picture is also given, children. Yes or no? So the tree is addressed. What would animals say if they could talk? What they would say? Okay. What the animals will say? They help us to live. They want to tell that help us to live. Why? Because they want to stay on the earth. Pick out the rhyming words from the poem. What are the rhyming words, children? I will write rhyming words. Rhyming words. What are the rhyming words? Let us see here. Rhyming words. Say away. Say away. Next one. Okay, children. If a tree could talk, what would it say? Example I have shown. Example. Rhyming word example here. Say away. So in this way you should have to remove the. You should have to take few rhyming words. Say away. Okay. Talk, walk. Okay. Talk, walk. Yes or no, children? Talk is there, walk is there. So this type of rhyming word you should have to take from the lesson. What does the tree wish for? The tree wish for not to cut. The tree is wishing for not to cut. Okay. How are the trees and animals useful to us? You should have to write in here. What are the uses of the animals and the trees? Pick out all the bad things we do, make our surroundings unclean. Next, 7th one. How are we responsible for pollution? How are we responsible? Suppose air pollution. We should not release the smoke into the surroundings. Okay, it causes air pollution. Write a poem based on what more a tree, air, river and earth could pray for. That means you should have to write one time poem in your notebook, children. So this is the poem what I have taught in this class. In the next class we will meet with the other topic.